Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from 50, page number 50. Question number 1. Write the volume and then the capacity of each box. Part A. Length 10 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Point should be noted. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. Volume and capacity same. Volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. Volume 50 multiplied by 6. Volume 300 centimeter cube. Now volume and capacity same, so capacity is 300 milliliter. Using graph paper, plot a line graph to show the number of children present at modern school during a week July 1991. Here is the data. Children 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. Day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now these values will present at plot at bar graph. A bar graph is used in representing the data visually. First we draw two lines horizontally and vertically. Horizontal line represented by x-axis and vertical line represented by y-axis. X-axis and y-axis intersect at point O. Question 2 represents the number in Pakistani way. Then 5, 16, 70, 324. Question number 3. Round off to the nearest 100. Part 1. Part A. 15,000 and 550. This value nearest to 15,600. Question number 4. Copy and complete. 384, 691 divided by 372. 372 is a divisor greater than remainder. So the question is 1034. Question number 4. Question 5. Round off to nearest centimeter. 23.4 centimeter nearest to 23 centimeter.